Are you struggling with earwax buildup and looking for a solution in London? Look no further. Discover Hearing First London, the premier earwax removal clinic in the heart of the city. Our expert team specializes in microsuction, a safe and effective method to clear earwax without any discomfort. Conveniently located at 90 York Street, London W1H1QU, United Kingdom, we offer top-notch ear cleaning services to ensure your ears are in optimal health. Our state-of-the-art clinic is equipped with the latest technology to provide you with the best care possible. Microsuction is a technique that uses gentle suction to remove earwax, making it a preferred choice for many. Unlike other methods, it is quick, painless, and highly effective. Our experienced audiologists are trained to perform this procedure with precision, ensuring your comfort and satisfaction. Booking an appointment with us is easy. Visit our website or call us at +44 203 397 787 to schedule your earwax removal session. We pride ourselves on offering flexible appointment times to suit your busy lifestyle. Whether you're dealing with minor discomfort or significant earwax buildup, we have you covered. At Hearing First London, we understand the importance of good ear hygiene. Regular ear cleaning can prevent infections, improve hearing, and even enhance your overall well-being. That's why we offer comprehensive ear care solutions tailored to your needs. Why choose us? Our clinic is renowned for its high standards and exceptional service. We are dedicated to providing you with a comfortable and professional experience from start to finish. Our friendly staff will guide you through the process, ensuring you feel at ease every step of the way. Don't let earwax affect your quality of life. Book your appointment today and experience the best earwax removal service in London. Click the link below or give us a call now. Website: https://www.earwaxremoval.net/microsuction-earwax-removal-clinic-in-central-london/closing-current contact number +44 We look forward to welcoming you to our clinic.